Hi traders, the 6th of June 2014 times 7:19 GMT. Quick run through what happened yesterday. We were trying to get some action on CAD CHF and we did. It was mixed. We had an automated trade triggered from this test of this downtrend here that was opened on the 4th of June, and that ran into profit yesterday. We made about 28 pips out of that, and then price action then spiked up pretty aggressively towards the trend line. We got another sell touch trade opened by the Platinum automated trading system, which then got stopped out at a loss of 38 pips. Not too good. And then we had another short entry here when price action then came back into trend and retested this trend line again, and that ran to profit at 23 pips. So on balance we came out net positive, a bit all over the place though. Yesterday was a pretty rubbish day, to be honest with you, mainly because of the ECB news. This dollar yen trade again, this was entered on the 4th of June at 15.15 on the test of this uptrend. It's got a little bit of support for a while, then basically gave way and got taken out at our stop loss at about 20 pips or so there. Sterling Aussie dollar trade, now this was a mess. I have to say I wasn't happy about this trade at all. It was based upon some index analysis which didn't come to fruition. We got a long break close trade triggered here, so we got taken in at a particularly high point on this hourly chart, so the system executed the trade at this point here after the close of this candle. So right from the word go we were kind of 33 pips above the trend line, and then price action then just kind of came down, wobbled around a bit, and then just eventually kind of gave way. And I'd moved the stops, which is a mistake. Try not to do it, and we got taken out for about a 70 pip loss on that one. So pretty dreadful trade, and a lesson learned. It's essentially what I'm trying to do here with these videos is to try and bring together several tools which we develop and show traders how they're used in the market. This is a demo account, so you know, this is just a kind of a illustration of what can be achieved using the tools. I don't monitor these automated trades at all during the day, or very rarely. So once the trades I put on first thing in the morning using the tools are set for the rest of the day, and then the next day I review them. Today it's non-farm payrolls. So if we look at the economic news release, this is the calendar from dailyfx.com. You can see we've got non-farm payrolls coming out at 12:30, and this is always a massive market mover. So I suspect from previous experience that not much is going to happen to any price action at all between now and 12:30. But what I'm going to do today as kind of an experiment is to come back a little bit later, and I'm going to put a whole load of straddle trades around price action using the Platinum automated trading system to see whether we can capture some of the non-farm payroll whippy kind of price action which we typically tend to get, and we'll try and lock in as much profit as we can by trailing stops. I don't think there's any point in looking at any index or strength based analysis at the moment, because quite frankly the NFP data tends to swing the market around all over the place. So unless you want to trade the event, in my opinion, there's very little point in being in the market on days like this unless you are trading the event or post-event. Anyway, so I will come back a bit later and we'll look at we'll do a video of setting up some kind of straddle based trades around price action prior to the NFP release. Thanks for watching.